first and foremost, the most important aspect which I've seen where some of the organizations are successful is the leadership commitment, which actually starts from the top. If you really want to make DI successful, it actually starts from the top. And then, of course, it needs to percolate down to the middle level and then the employees at large. And the second aspect is that when you are touching this DI with respect to any segment, it shouldn't be that you have a program or you have a plan only for that particular segment and you're addressing that. It should actually be you're pretty much touching or sensitizing the entire organization related to that. Say, for example, in case of when we were trying to drive DI initiative for one of the organization, so they tried to do the gender sensitization workshops across the organization, not just doing an unconscious bias training for the women leaders alone in terms of how they need to navigate the challenges related to unconscious biases. And the third aspect when it comes to DI, which is much beyond, in fact, the gender aspect itself, what I have seen is they are trying to really bring in or revisit their processes, the products, the services, which in terms of even the consumers, where they actually there's an impact. Because unless and until you see with the DI lens in terms of all the aspects which are there in your organization, you wouldn't be able to really cater to your consumers, which are very diverse in nature.